today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to join links in Roblox Mobile Discord. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If someone sent you a link to join a Roblox private server through Discord, you can easily join it by tapping the link, but usually you might encounter problems or you aren't able to connect. If that's the case, then follow the instructions in this video and you will be able to get it done. What you have to do to ensure that you are able to join any link that people send you on Discord is to go over to settings. So tap on more at the bottom right corner of the app, go to settings, and then privacy and content restrictions. Now you will see a bunch of options, and the category that you are looking for is visibility and private servers. In here you will have private servers. A private server is a Roblox experience with limits on who can join, and you can change who can add you as a member of their private server. So this is important. If this is set to no one, those links will not work. So make sure that you set it to one of these other options. You can set it to connections, connections and people I follow, connections, followers, and people I follow, or everyone. For the purposes of this video, I'm gonna leave it here in the middle, but you can set it to everyone if you aren't sure if the person who's going to be inviting you is following or connected with you on Roblox. If you set it to everyone, you will be sure that you are able to join literally any private server that people send you. Now I'm going to switch over to Discord, and I have this private server link here. All that I have to do now is tap on it and then visit site. I should be redirected immediately into the Roblox app, and it should be the case for you as well. So as you can see here, I'm now joining the server. If this does not happen to you, then what I recommend is that you open a web browser and you try to open the link through there. Usually it is going to redirect you into the app where you can join the server automatically. So if it doesn't work, try to open it through a web browser. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you with Roblox links, please consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us on the channel make high quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.